Nick Saban is known to speak his mind with the Alabama media, is the most successful coach in the country right now. We tend to hang on his every word, as testy as he may be. Last night was no different. Take a listen.
I know you said Saturday after the game that the plan was to play two at some point in the first half. Is that still the same plan this week, or how do you plan to manage that?
We haven't decided how we're going to play the guys, and I wouldn't tell you if I did. So, I don't mind you asking a question, but I don't need to answer it. But I will call Colorado State and tell them exactly what we want to do as soon as I get out of here. I know Mike Bobo, his dad lives up by my house at Lake Raven, so I just call him up and tell him who we're playing, when, how long, when we're putting them in. We tell them the whole thing. All right? Is that all right with you? So you can call him and find out. All right, see y'all later.
All right. Matt Brown from Sports on Earth joins us now. We saw Brian Kelly, Notre Dame, kind of get snippy with the reporter after the game. Now Nick Saban. I mean, come on, coach. You got the number one team in the country. Is he the most intimidating head coach in football?
He's up there, but I think Brian Kelly and Jim Harbaugh might be a little bit more intimidating just because Jim Harbaugh is really unpredictable with how he's going to respond to anything. And Brian Kelly has that notorious short fuse where he can just kind of snap at anything. Saban is like Bill Belichick, in which, yes, he has a deserved reputation for being surly and kind of combative with media. But if you ask either of them good questions, they can give good answers to good football questions. I think Saban I don't know. I think there was kind of a wink involved in that answer on the other day where, yeah, he kind of had a point where it's not something he's going to disclose to the media. So I think he can be unnecessarily combative, but if you ask the right questions, I think Saban can give good answers, and even more so than somebody like Harbaugh. So he's up there in terms of intimidating, but I think you also know what you're going to get from Saban.